This video is about the AT47V series multi-channel temperature tester. The instrument is equipped with a standard 64 grams large capacity memory, has voltage testing function and newly supports PT100, packing list, power cord, communication cable, standard thermocouple cable, test report. The measurement display page mainly highlights the measurement results. You can see the display pages for different channel numbers. Press the function key bar chart to enter the bar chart display page. Press the curve graph button to enter the curve display POP. The system configuration page allows for setting the language, date, time, and interfaces. Interface settings include mapping of disks, USB and LAN. The function settings page allows you to set all the parameters related to measurement. Select the ringtone settings, which allow you to turn the ringtone on or off and adjust the volume level, etc. Select curve settings, and you can input the upper and lower limit temperature values based on the actual measurement data. Select USB drive settings and set the storage location and timing duration as needed. The channel settings page allows you to configure the sensor, upper and lower limit values, correction values, etc. for each channel. Sensor settings. Use the cursor keys to select the field to be modified. Then select the names of other sensors. You can click on one-click setup to proceed. Lower limit setting. Select the -200.0 field, input the value, and you can set and reset it with one click. The steps for setting the upper limit are the same as above. Press the function key previous page or next page to switch pages. The USB drive can be used and its format should be FAT32. Insert the USB drive, and the screen will display USB disk ready. In the function settings, select the storage location as disk USB disk, then select start, and the data will begin to be recorded. The screen will display the save path. After the data is recorded, remove the USB drive. The screen will display USB disk disconnected. Connect the thermocouple correctly according to the video and diagram instructions. The video shows that the AT47V series comes with the ATL109DK type thermocouple as the standard configuration. The attached diagram shows that the AT47 series is equipped with the ATL109K type thermocouple as the standard configuration. The AT47H series is equipped with the ATL109HK type thermocouple as standard. Press the Start button to begin the measurement. You can clearly see the temperature changes on the graph. Then, by clicking on the bar chart option, you can see the percentage temperature changes represented by the bar graph. Please set the upper and lower limit values and other parameters as per your requirements before the test. The accessories prepared include Type-C cables, local area, network cables, and network port adapters. Connecting the Type-C cable to the host computer. First, as shown in the video, connect the two ends of the device. Then, in the instrument settings under the interface settings section, select USB VCOM. Note: the Win 7 system requires downloading the Type-C driver for use. Open the host computer, select USB and serial port in the communication settings and click Reconnect. In the file, a new file storage path must be created. Click Start to collect the data. You can also import the data that has already been collected to observe the changes in the curve settings, extreme value display, and measurement display can all be modified. The table on the right allows you to modify the channel names. Check the channels in the box, and you can observe the changes in the specified channel curves as needed. Set the language, Chinese, English. LAN interface connection to the host computer. First, as shown in the video, connect the two ends of the device. This video notebook does not have a network interface, so a converter is needed for connection. Then, in the instrument settings under the interface settings section, select the local area network interface. On the upper computer, select the network port. Input the IP address and port number, and click Reconnect. The other function steps are the same as those for the Type-C collection method. Note: if the computer and the instrument are not on the same local area network, they must be connected first. The operation is as follows. Open the computer settings and find Network and Internet. Then, open its properties. IP allocation is set to manual mode. Enter the values. The subnet mask and gateway must be consistent with those of the instrument. After inputting the information, click Save. Then, go back to the software page and click Reconnect Online. That's it.